Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've just performed a factory reset on your Samsung tablet and now find yourself stuck on the Google account verification screen, you're dealing with a security feature known as Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. This lock is designed to prevent unauthorized use by requiring the previous Google account credentials, but it can be incredibly frustrating if you've forgotten your login details or purchased a second-hand device that's still linked to the original owner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass Google FRP on your Samsung tablet using two effective methods. Let's start with the first method, which is to recover your Google account. If you still remember the email address or username associated with the tablet but can't recall the password, this is the simplest approach to try first. Using a separate phone or computer, open your browser and go to google.com. Attempt to sign in with your Google account, and when the password screen appears, click on the Forgot Password option. Google will then guide you through the account recovery process. You may be asked to verify your identity using a linked recovery phone number or backup email address that was previously associated with the account. Once you've successfully created a new password, return to your Samsung tablet and enter the updated credentials on the Google verification screen to continue with the setup process. However, if you no longer have access to your recovery options or can't remember the email address at all, this method won't work for you. That's where the second method comes in. The second and more universally effective solution is to use a professional tool called PassFab Android Unlock. This software is a comprehensive all-in-one solution designed specifically to bypass Google FRP on nearly all Samsung devices, including tablets, without requiring any previous credentials. First, download and install the software on your computer using the link provided in the video description below. Once the installation is complete, launch the program and you'll arrive at the main interface. From the main menu, select the Remove Google Lock FRP option. Next, choose Samsung as your device brand from the list. You'll then need to select the correct Android version running on your tablet. If you're unsure which version your device is using, the software provides an option to detect it automatically, which is incredibly helpful. Once you've made your selections, click the Remove Now button. Now, connect your Samsung tablet to the computer using a reliable USB cable. Make sure to use an EDL cable, not just a charging cable, to ensure the connection works properly. Follow the instructions on screen to shut down your device before plugging in and connecting it to your computer system. In the following drop-down menu, search and select your device, then click on Next. As soon as the software detects your device, it will automatically begin the FRP removal process. During this procedure, your Samsung tablet may restart several times. This is completely normal, so just let the tool do its work and avoid disconnecting the device until the process is finished. The entire process typically takes just a few minutes, depending on your device model and Android version. Once the process is complete and your tablet reboots to the welcome screen, you'll notice something important. The Google account verification step is completely gone. You can now tap Skip on the Google sign-in page and continue setting up your tablet as a brand new device. Within moments, you'll be taken straight to your home screen with full access restored. And that's how you bypass Google FRP on your Samsung tablet. Whether you recover your Google account or use PassFab Android Unlock, you now have reliable ways to regain full access to your device. If this tutorial helped you get back into your tablet, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more straightforward tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.